Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering essentials, a valid email and a secure password. Once done, choose a username you can reuse for projects. Make it short and professional because it shows on commits. Now open the Github homepage and click Sign Up. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide email, username, and password. As you enter these, make sure to check spelling and avoid temporary emails. Accurate contact information prevents verification problems later, and the username choice affects repository URLs and visibility. Once you submit basics, verify your email immediately by clicking the code or link sent to your inbox. This activates account features. Next, choose a plan. The free option supports public and private repos for personal use. After that, configure profile details like name and bio so collaborators recognize you. Then enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts for SMS or an authenticator app. Finally, review notification defaults. They help you stay on top of pull requests and issues. To finish, create your first repository. Give it a clear name, add a README, and choose a Gitignore template if needed. Next, install Git locally and connect your account via SSH or HTTPS so you can push code. Follow the SSH key steps for password-free commits. Make sure your profile and email settings match local Git config. If something goes wrong, first check your spam folder and re-request verification. If still blocked, reset your password or regenerate your SSH key and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.